If anyone is looking for a new litter box to try, then this video is for you. Makesurepet was nice enough to send us one of their litter boxes to try out. Here's a quick look at the instructions. It was super easy to put together. You just slide the pieces together, slide in these pins, and there you go. Here's a quick overview of the litter box. There's a nice side area here to catch any litter that your cat tracks, and then you can have it either open or closed depending what your cat prefers. And there's even a holder for the scoop. And then it also comes with an extension piece just to make the litter box even higher on the sides if you need. So let's set it up. We're filling it with our favorite litter. This is the Oko cat litter. And then we'll just slide the litter box back in. It's super simple. And here's some clips of our cats using it. They're still a little unsure about it because obviously it's a new litter box and they're not used to using a covered litter box. So we've been leaving the door open for them and they've been using it all the time. We might slowly start closing it. We'll just see how it goes, but so far they love it. And they especially love the box it came in. They've been playing with it since we got it. Huge thank you to makesurepet for sending us this litter box to try out. We're super happy with it and our kitties love it too. Thank you!